Welcome to my latest DIY project. So I found this little puppy on a social media marketplace. I paid a minimal amount for it. The reason I like it so much is it is a 5x8 trailer, which I wanted, and it's tandem axle. And I already, before I even brought it over here, I went ahead and replaced the tires, the wheel bearings, and the tandem, whatever those parts are called. I can't ever remember. Anyway, so I did know that there was a chance there would be some rust because there's this this trailer place had rebuilt it or repaired it, and they're in Beaumont, which tells me it was down on the coast in a place that's got lots of bad air too, which adds to the rust factor. So I knew I was going to deal with some rust. I could have taken all the sheet metal off and treated it from the ground up, but I really wanted to start using it for storage, which is why I got it, for traveling and for storage. So I went ahead and did part of it. I did a little bit of the interior build out of shelves to see how I wanted to do the shelves. So I just used some OSB that I already had and got a few 1x4s, but I haven't really spent money on anything inside until I figure out exactly how I want to do the interior of it. But anyway, this is my latest DIY project, and I'm finishing up sealing it off on the outside so that it's good and watertight, and then I'm just treating and repairing some of the spots that I find along the way that's rust. Would it have been better for me to go ahead and rip everything off and redo it? Yes. Did I have the time and energy to do that whole thing? I'm probably using just as much energy doing the repairs, but I'm having fun doing it, and I'm learning things as I go. So, you know, how do you value that? I don't know. Anyway, join me for the rest of the journey.